Alright, what's up guys? Shamari King's real friend and Willie Positive Trades with another video today, and I can pretty much count this as a special. So here we are at 168th Street, where they quote-unquote install new elevators. Reason why I say quote-unquote is because something that they could have done while the station was closed is actually make the station fully ADA accessible. And when I say fully ADA accessible, that means to add elevators where you can actually get up to the elevators that go to the A to C. So what I'm trying to say is that, you know how those old elevators that go down and up from the A line, for the A and the C line to the 1 line, that you get there. I mean, I kind of see why they have to be replaced because it was really old, but then here there is not any elevators where you can actually, you know, like, you know, see if there was actually like, if this was actually an ADA accessible station, that they would have added elevators right here to just like just go up the platform, because, you know, why not? So technically, for the people who need to get to the A and the C, there's no option for them but to walk up the stairs if they even had a wheelchair. So they have to like break their leg and, like, you know, just go up the stairs because there is no elevator, sadly. Luckily, they still have those elevators over there, but they just replaced it. I'm pretty sure they're gonna look the same. It's like no difference, but, you know. They sound different. We already have out of service elevators.
Been expanded.
It existed, but it wasn't
using it
for
this
a
way.
sit, going and out.
But it was a big deal.
Well, see, yeah, there's a walkway, right? So we could enter on the other side. The other side.
I think that you exit on the other side.
We'll find out. We'll find out.
So see, they also added windows, and it's a lot faster.
No, it's like this side. It is this side. Yeah, they exited.
So I guess that's pretty much it. Like, you know, just small change. Thanks for watching, and peace out.